All right, Trevor, I've come to a stop. I'm in front of a car. Welcome to the Motorcycle Minute. This is Trevor. He's with Too Cool Motorcycle School. 29 years. This school has been here in Calgary, and for good reason, because you're going to tell me if I am in a good position with the car in front of me and I've come to a stop. How am I doing? You're going to tell me if I am in a good position with the car in front of me and I've come to a stop. How am I doing?
Well, first of all, the left to center choice, excellent, because now you're visible to the driver's rear view mirror and side view mirror, so that's perfect. I'd even say you could probably even be a couple more feet back just to give yourself a little extra room. I know in a car or truck you're supposed to see the bottom of the tires touching the ground.
Yeah.
For a motorcycle, that rule doesn't apply.
So you're suggesting I should even be farther back?
Even a couple more feet back, because if someone's come by, you want to be able to easily get out of the way.
So then we're talking about a good 3 motorcycle lengths back?
Almost 2.5.
Wow, I would have never called that, man.
And why do you want to be so close anyhow? You end up just smelling the exhaust.
Yeah, I guess so, eh? Okay, so now I'm here. I also noticed that there's a bike in the front position. Now that's there for a reason, in the right position or not?
Absolutely. Now think about when you're stopped, and especially when you're riding. For riders in the left to center, they're directly in front of the driver, unless it's a right-hand drive. Well, then not much you can do there. But you're in the most visible spot, because if you're over to the right, you're out of their main line of vision. And as we've talked about before, we are not very big. So we don't scare the drivers out there. So we want to be in their face, both in behind to see them, and then we want to make sure that they see us.
Don't be a mosquito, be a big bug.
Big bug.
Big bug, no whammies.
Didn't even hear you pull
I gotta
up.
back up, eh?